Brew and Feed is here at Collision Bin Brewing Company's new brewery in Euclid, Ohio. They are based in Cleveland, Ohio in the Flats, but they just opened up a production facility and tap room here in Euclid, Ohio. And I'm gonna go check it out to see if they know how to brew strong and feed well, because they got food too. Let's go check them out. I just left Collision Bin Brewing Company's Euclid production facility, and the place is amazing. Huge production facility, and they had a really good opening night. It is packed in there, and it stayed packed. I came up here early, around 4:30 p.m. to check it out, to see what it was like, to take some video during the day. And it was packed in here then, and it's still packed in here now, and I'm leaving. I'm out of here. I will be back. Oh, it's getting dark now. Let me get back in the light. But yeah, come and check out Collision Bin Brewing Company in Euclid, Ohio. They are doing an amazing job. They've been doing an amazing job. Check them out. They do know how to brew strong and feed well.